John, Chris Reed here from Outdoor SEO. Thanks very much for booking in a video audit. So let me run through your website and show you how you can get more customers booking driving lessons. So the first thing I've done is gone over to one of our tools that shows how your rankings are going. So you can see over the last year, it's been going all right, pumped up a lot in May, and then kind of plateaued back down. So not amazing. These are when Google updates are, so it does look like one of these Google updates affected you, but I'd need to have a lot more deeper dive to be able to tell if that's the case. But if we go down and look at the keywords, so these are the keywords that you rank for. So like learn to drive school, that's people actually searching for you. And these are the positions you rank for, and these are the URLs. So you can see that there's 10 URLs on the front page of Google, and quite quickly you fall off the front page. So you do have some great keywords like this one, RMS Penrith, 1,300 searches, and you know you're number 10. Really looking at optimizing that page, because the 10th position gets, well, not nearly as, I think it's like 4 to 6%, where the number 1 position gets 33%. So that's really where you want to be. But if we go and order those same keywords by search volume, so now you can see like RMS locations, RMS Blacktown, RTA Penrith, RMS book. Like these have huge search volume, 5,400, and you're really very close. Like, you know, you're number 24. To move from number 24 to the front page really isn't a lot of work. So there's huge potential for you. So if we go and look at your site by typing in site : and your domain into Google, it shows all the pages that you have indexed from what Google sees as the most authoritative to the least authoritative. So this here's a title tag, and this is the description. So driving school Penrith, New South Wales, that's a good keyword-driven title tag. Learn to drive, driving lessons is again not bad because it's got your name in there, and also some keywords. This here, the description, I would learn to drive, driving school. Like if people are searching learn to drive, they already know who you are. So I'd even take that out of the description. Best driving school, specializing in Blacktown. Like that's good. You've got you know, some locations and the phone number there, which, you know, makes it really easy to call. As you go down, they're actually not too bad. These ones that you have dots on are not set, but you can see that there's lots of duplication here. Learn to drive, drive centers, learn to drive. So all that we've changed here is these numbers. So fixing that sort of stuff up will give you a boost. If you go down to the far end so you've got 6 pages, that's where you usually find that there's lots of stuff that shouldn't be indexed, but your site's not too bad. So at a very high level audit, your site's in pretty okay shape. Bit of refinement on the title tags and descriptions there, but the main thing that I'd really look at, because you're you know, a local business, is looking at your local SEO. So doing a citation audit, see who your local competition are, and you know, seeing what we need to do to beat those guys. And you know, I can show you exactly how that's done. So who am I anyway? Well, that's me right there, Chris Reed, the CEO and founder of Outdoor SEO, and that's exactly what we specialize in. You know, getting you in front of the very people that are actively searching for exactly what you do. And we don't just get them to your site, we get them to take action. Because at the end of the day, you know, search engine rankings don't pay the bills, new customers do. So I'd like you to take a little action right now. Just click the button below this video. It'll pop up my calendar. Find the date and time that works for you. Book in a call and let's have a chat. Hope that's useful. I look forward to chatting. Have a great day. Bye-bye.